could be just like Greg Hastings, undercover waiting, only taking one shot. That one shot was amazing, but I would rather waste my pods and every single ball up in my hopper till it's gone. And I could be like Kimbo Sasson, pistol double-handed, but I stick to my hopper. Not enough pain in mag fed. Hey, what can I say? We lead the field living just to play another.
Well, folks, here we are. Hi, I'm DreadCam, and today I'm going to do a giveaway for not only Facebook, but YouTube as well. You have a chance to win on both. Alrighty, so luckily I've had a really great start in 2016. I've gotten quite a few great kill sprees. One was a 43. I'm very proud of that one. That one turned out really well. For me to attract future sponsors, I'm hoping to grow my following, not only on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, but it does help with me achieving my goal. Alright, now it's time to grab the YouTube giveaway piece. This here is a Tipp-Ex leg holster, or a pistol holster. You YouTube subscribers, or future YouTube subscribers, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and leave a comment on this video. Don't worry guys, I'm worth a subscribe. I will put a clip at the end of this here giveaway just to remind you why. Alright Facebook, this here is a Leg Rig magazine holder. It holds 5 magazines. It can not only do just paintball, it can accommodate airsoft magazines as well. It's a very nice piece from High Speed Gear. In order to enter the draw on this, you must like the DreadCam page and comment it on this video, and your name will be entered into the draw for this. Apparently it's very good top-of-the-line stuff. Neither of these products have been used. To help you believe in my goal of achieving a major sponsorship, I hope you would participate in this draw by liking and sharing, as well as subscribing and commenting below to enter the draw as well. In order to achieve my goal, I have to make you guys believers. So here's a short clip from my latest event, Make You a Believer. I hope you enjoy, guys. Peace.
I got limited, so.
Yeah,
we got a medic. That a boy. Right there. Right there.
Raph, call them all out!